Hic! Oh, hic!
Do you have the hiccups?
Hic!
Hic! Did you have hiccups before?
Hic!
Do you know what can cause hiccup? Do you know how many things you can do to stop hiccups? Or do you happen to know how long hiccups can last? If you want to know the answer, go to my channel Inside Out with Nia. I'll be waiting to answer all those questions and satisfy your curiosity. See you soon.